I have one more idea to show you for the CD case that can be turned into a shadow box. If you're like me, you've collected a variety of beautiful dishes over the years and don't always know what to do to display them. Or perhaps you have a collection of teacups, and again, you're not quite sure how to display them. Well, this is of course intended to hold CDs, but if you put it on its side so that it does stair steps, it becomes a shadow box. Now you can put in teacups, well, it won't fit on the inside, but it can always go on the outside. And you can put your beautiful bowls in your display case and on your display case. You could also add to it by getting another display case for more of the same. Now, if you put this against a white wall, sometimes some of your lighter dishes might disappear. What you can do to counteract that is take some colorful paper, whether it's a dark color like this, to bring out the contrast, or even a light color like this, which can also provide a different contrast. So if you back your empty open shadow box with some dull paper or even shiny paper, it'll change the look completely of what you're trying to do. You can also use a solid sheet so that you'll have the same color behind all of your pieces. So whether you choose to back it or just hang it on your plain wall, again, this is a delightful way to show off some of those beautiful bowls that you've been collecting and just didn't know quite what to do with it. A beautiful shadow box for your special bowls.